Palm oil production line machines are divided into palm oil processing machines and palm oil refining complete sets of machines. Palm fruit oil extraction process. The fresh palm fruit bundled into the fermentation sterilization car. Direct injection of steam for high-temperature short-term fermentation sterilization. Steam flows through the fruit chamber to heat all the fruit, reducing the activity of bacteria and enzymes, avoiding the increase of free fatty acids, and improving the quality of crude oil. Send the fermented brown fruit bundle to the roller separator and separate the empty fruit chamber from the fresh brown fruit through the rotation of the separator. The separated empty fruit chamber is sent as fertilizer to be crushed and returned to the orchard. The palm fruit is tempered and broken by a special machine and sent to the double screw oil press to press out the oil. The liquid portion containing mud, water, and oil is then fed into a purifier to separate out the crude palm oil. The solid part of the oil press is sent into the dynamic vertical separation column by the conveyor belt, and the fiber is separated from the fruit core by the wind. The fibers are fed into the boiler for use as fuel. The polished stone is transported to the container for storing the kernel, and the kernel is separated after crushing. The processed crude palm oil mainly contains solid sediment, water, and oil. Among them, the solid part is separated by vibrating rotary sieve, and the crude palm oil is decomposed by static method. After heating, the crude palm oil is sent to the vacuum dryer through the oil pump to remove water, and finally into the crude oil tank for storage. The bottom sludge is treated and discharged into the sewage treatment channel, and the solid matter is used for field fertilization and steam. Steam boilers are mainly used to provide steam for power generation, fermentation, killing, and heating. The fuel used in the steam boiler is fiber and fruit husks separated from the palm oil manufacturing process. Overview of palm oil refining process. The palm oil refining process mainly includes the following characteristics: raw material pretreatment, removing impurities such as palm pulp and shells to obtain pure palm kernels. Crushing and softening. The palm kernels are broken into small pieces and softened to extract the oil. Oil pressing. Press the softened palm kernels to extract oil separation. The extracted oil is separated from the pomace to obtain pure palm oil. Refining. Through a series of chemical and physical methods to remove impurities and undesirable components in palm oil and improve its quality and stability. Filtration and packaging. The refined palm oil is filtered to remove fine impurities and then packaged. Test methods and standards for palm oil refining quality. Detection indicators, mainly including acid value, color, odor, transparency, moisture and volatiles, free fatty acids, phospholipids, and other indicators. Testing process. Sampling, random sampling of palm oil from each batch. Determination of indicators, according to the relevant standard methods to determine the indicators. Data recording and analysis. Record and analyze the test data to determine whether the quality of the oil meets the requirements. Detection significance. Through quality detection, it can judge whether palm oil meets the relevant quality standards, ensure the quality and stability of the product, and help improve the market competitiveness of the product.